Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change Gmail password on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the Gmail app on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on the profile icon at the upper right corner on the display and tap on Google account. Now from here, just swipe to the left side and tap on security. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on password. Now from here, just enter your new password. Now once you have entered your new password, just tap on change password. Now from here, just tap on change password. Now just wait for a few seconds for your Gmail to change your password. Now as you can see, password changed successfully. And this is how you can change your Gmail password on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.